These are our motor helmet warehouse specials for the day for Friday, May 12th. Caller emails us to reserve any of these items. These are eligible for pickup only. Give us a call here. Today we have deal 106. It's the Leatt neck brace, the 3.5 junior in the white. Originally retailed for $176, on sale for $100. Deal 107. We have the Leatt neck brace, the SNX, so it's the snowmobile version. Currently, it's a size small, retailed $430, on sale for $280. We have deal 108. This is the Leatt DBX 3.5 neck brace in the forest color, size large, extra large, retailed $232, on sale for $160. Deal 109. We have the Alpinestars BMX Tech 2 neck brace, black in the black cool gray color, extra small, medium. This one retailed for $300, currently on sale for $200. Lastly, we have the same brace, but in the size large, extra large. Again, this is deal 110, retailed $300, currently on sale for $200. If you're interested in any of these products, please give us a call here. We are located between the 591 freeway in Orange County. Just give us a call. We're here at 800-288-0640.